guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Disney Plus error code 83. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering how to actually fix this error, which is error code 83. So most likely this error is actually caused by your connection on the internet. Now, the best tip and the best method to actually fix this issue is ensuring that you have a stable and a very fast internet connection. Sometimes having a poor connection or just having your internet connection really slow can actually affect your Disney Plus account here or application itself, making you have the error, which is error code 83. Now, in this case, make sure that you have a fast internet connection or consider changing to a different connection that is actually fast. Now, in this case, if your internet connection is actually fast, the next thing that you could do here is make sure that you restart your router. Sometimes not restarting your router for a very long time can actually affect your speed. Now, in this case, restarting your router can most probably solve this issue. Now, in this case, once you've done that, that would actually solve most of the issues that you're encountering. But another thing that you could do here to probably fix this issue here is you have to ensure that you you restart your system. So maybe your mobile phone or your TV where you're getting this issue. Make sure that you start that device, and from then on, check if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.